Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, then you can update your app on the Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.